Hi, I want to make sure that you are aware of a project that's going on between Unity North Atlanta Church and my foundation called Lifestar Academy. This is for girls who are aging out of foster care with no families. We are offering a course called the Happiness Tune-Up in 30 Days. And what it is a course that lands in your inbox one email a day for 30 straight days, and it's very much like having a virtual tutor, a virtual happiness tutor. You may have heard the statement, your goal, your quest, is to be as happy as you can, as intensely as you can, for as long as you can, and as consistently as you can. And if you haven't heard that statement, it is a real truth. My name is Leah Kraft-Kristaine, and I've been teaching spiritual truth around the world for well over 2 decades. I have been living that truth since I was 7 years old when some pretty amazing things happened to me. But I want you to know that happiness creates within you more health, more strength, more energy, more power than anything else you may have going on in your life. Happiness is also the key to manifesting your life. The events, the people connections, the opportunities, the possibilities that you want to have in your life. And without it, without the feeling of joy, the feeling of happiness, the feeling of enjoyment, you are virtually pushing away your good. You are obstructing your good. You are putting up barriers to your good. People who are happy have more friends. They generally create more prosperity. They open up their lives to new good with new powerful attitudes. Certainly, we see that on a very basic, practical level where people are attracted to people who seem happier or seem more buoyant or upbeat. Of course, that's natural. But on a vibrational level, we absolutely must know that we need to have happiness as our most natural, most practiced, most strong response. We need to bounce back into that stream, that rhythm of happiness, of joy, immediately or as soon after immediately as we possibly can, after events might knock us over. In this time of pandemic, in this time where we are more tempted to be more stressed, more worried, which means broadcasting images of danger and upset, we must remind ourselves how to react to life and how to act and be in life. This program was created out of a whisper in my ear from an angel at a time when I had been in a deep depression for about 6 months in my life. I was still in my 20s, and it was a very, very difficult time. I was given this information for myself and for my family, my 3 sisters, to help us all recover from the death of my mother. But it went far, far, far beyond that. I was guided every step of the way while writing it, and I worked with it on myself repeatedly, daily, constantly, pulling myself up to a level of glorious happiness that I had never experienced before. After approximately 3 months, because I was a tough case, after approximately 3 months of working with this material, I found that my lowest low at that time was higher than my highest high had ever been. I learned how to be happy. This is happiness training, And I have been offering it, writing it, teaching it for such a long time. I have also been a temporary minister at 2 Unity churches, and I have spoken in over 125 New Thought churches around the world. This has been my saving grace in my life, and it has helped me create miracles. Miracles such as becoming a CNN broadcaster, having my own show segment, and that happened in a period of about 90 minutes. I also have had amazing experiences that wouldn't have happened had it not been for that boost of feeling uplifted, upbeat, knowing there is more at work than just myself. We are co-creators, absolutely, and we are told to ask. However, our goal absolutely is to allow in the co-creative energies of the universe. And the way that we do that is by matching our energy with the things that we want, harmonizing with it. And what that's usually called is the law of attraction. I am offering this course with Unity North for a very limited time at half price, 50% off. And you can find this description of the entire course at lifecraft.com/unity, and it will give you all the information you need. I hope you might also check out my YouTube channel called Life Crafting with Leah KK, and just see some of the other work that I've done. I wish you a beautiful season, and I look forward to you joining me in this program, because I am going to add to this 30 days program online live sessions with me for question and answer 3 times during the course of this event. The cutoff date for this half price off offer is January 15th. I hope you'll join me. I hope you'll become part of this. We will have our first live session around January 20th. So again, this work is meant to benefit Unity North Atlanta as well as my girls' foundation called LifeStar Academy at lifestaracademy.com. Thank you so much. I look forward to interacting with you soon.